Jamo kwaba mfam no tumfo ba TV Plus o. Abusia team leader wife fo e no maso ye pa de egu eye Obaa Tiwaa eso a enya asem keto na Obaa Tiwaa twa no ho twa bia enye ye edi ntira omo Obaa Tiwaa epe kutia papa ene okogina ne platform no so obete Obaa wuro so saa kutia nko an obebo eno na hesro ya Ashanti Queen Sabato ene wo mo maka peso mo di yie atu yie na ne awusia pani behwe Obaa Tiwaa nso se da bi anokore da no wan fanto afirito esim sa se ya yi too much ebuo na wo so mo de mano no omo mfa mano no no yema me akosia se wansem ye ba ye ya omo penka bom ti no sorry ya na ne obo modern so beko bi platform so a enko no oba ne TikTok a onko bi ade so no bi akwa kasa bi ensema wompe e de a kire no na awusia ne wo share expose omo de mo ho ni je omo toto di a kentema ampeso kam no kwaje nchire mo be sisi e
o so pa
mo be gina public aka.
Okay.
Mini asem.
Ba opekuti amododo. Opekuti amododo.
Ma make asem. Leader wife, mo wa ha say, ye nyina aka de ye. Ba wo ba say, wono ne de say de be mani bia wo pe, which means say, want me to peace. Say want me to peace, e bia na oba pieces. Because ye, ya ka bia ma back door.
Oba to a wuti for. Oba to a wuti for.
Yo ba won peno.
Peace.
There we okay,
they are not the peace.
Me see for my.
I don't know okay.
They do one of my.
Also kasa also done back. Na asem ni nyina aso ntwa.
They can record your ntwa. Obi ati obi enu masa me twa record at all.
She knows. Onim I TikTok na so na aya hardly say ukuba mo say gina obi platform so ba ono e di anko na so that shows how be value woofer.
Yeah, that's
action speaks louder than words. So what you say obi odo wo no e wo say unwo say we di opemase me tiny pa ba we are the ena mempa e me twem ho se be ya e manu ntia wonti me kasa no kra ema
Obaa Tiwaa enchire mu bia no ya kan ni wi
because there be saba
wasi no mu bia se kwa so ho kan na how ana no so tabi
Obaa Tiwaa
peace ni en tokwanie peace no
anope wa fly say to go eseme de Obaa Tiwaa
so ya me de mani abre yan ka we Obaa wo pe peace en asumdie da ho en tokwa da ho
yes so for peace ana me
wo choose peace ni bia na
why
oh, okay, thank you.
yeah, that's it.
Yeah, there's
I say peace no pe asumdie no pe Asante ko so pe dey Asante ko so
me ba ayi lady bi wa ha say Asante so adai say ana me no na edi nkoma na me dey me so mo ade anchi yo
Sabato before we be mama can be short asem
ya mo pe no maybe am
for na mudi mo e chi no amaya mo se mo create problems no ye ni problem Moko
thank you.
Moko Obaa Tiwaa mako trobi. Mama bakron mama betrobi wo kwen ho. Mama betrotro munyai sa.
I don't know ko for no frustrate mo monti ase.
Na munyai sa de na wo ya.
Na ko for no e na frustrate mo monti ase.
Na munyai sa de na be ka wo munyai. Mo ya be.
Say you paro wanya supporter. Enti mu hu se nya supporter.
Sabato ye nko ntokwane. E china kala ka ho.
China
Eti mama
ka when the papa na wo Ashanti enfi no wo do wa se mama so a dia bi e kwaso nyina no
Sabato nya abotre ye ama ka na kora ka ho eti munya ne mu ye ne se bokwa ana
ama Canada bra no fa office
munya is enough
Obaa ma Canada mo media nso na me fa mo nto mo fo mo am ye adwuma no bia che Applatus ede na ga chen drama ni sister man fa mo Applatus Ayeka sa me aba office kasa
Yes, Asante, ya pewa sempa, eda me for platform so kachiro. Se na wo kasa na wo tienti ma na bibi jemi. Ya pewa sempa, when is the first time ba platform?
Asante pesa no was.
Na me show di na wo nkasa sei. Ya pacho, ma ne enko dada na wo kasa still ya bete wase. Oti. Hwe eno ana me hwe.
No mama
Debi enfi omo. Eno ana me hwe Tiwaa. O kasa kra obo udin kase. Oh yeah, Jiska no. Asante Queen. Obobo otimi support.
Elo kwa waka, osa Asante Queen. Odinu kra Applatus.
But children they say Sokoto dance.
About Tiwaa kan nyina.
Sokoto dance me patcho.
That's why I dey UK. I don't go
Sokoto dance nyabotre. Ye ni problem o. Followers for no na eye saade no. We don't have any.
Kasa about Tiwaa na be chem say Applatus. Wa ya de odinu kra.
Only
Kaba ko kwa fa bia.
Sabato.
Ti akonta ni bi.
Omoko Tiwaa wa.
Omo sorry ano oma wucho mu ntimi nhwe nkola no no oma wucho omo probi ama na hwe omo mama wo mo na afa obi aware obi aware ni kuna one ni kunu ti no ni kunu so na mse wo ye vulnerable ni nti no na wakọ na bedi anko ya tam bibi di ama no no wati ame no de push in ba
obi sinti mame no ko but be se me nka bibi onse Ghana constitution no and as a Ghana mrani na no lawyers mienu miensa omuntumi ni munina nti eba situation say nkofo chirechire omadwen no omo peke sa adwen chire no then they are finding solutions counter to those things nti tama o lawyer no be court say all the idea we con because of obi a chire na adwen wo ho no omo prepare counter the dada then they know how to play their game. Pacho judgment we by tama ye asem ye di asem ni wie ye no in komo bebre kosu bebre ni so ni e kan asem abontin dodo ye kan ye cheche possible ways ni too much ye discuss eno na me fae na me maya ne se si ane de se statisi e kan bibi any possible move ye nim se ebetuma boa ye case no eya ye kan e mayen kamu bebre sa because eba omo peke no maye de omo counter because obi bia ni obetuma kase platform we so judgment ni ba no o men blame se timli wife so ye kasa dodo ye mu na obi akan bi say oh ye kasa dodo that was obi aya obi a complain enti say me eba ni say na me kan one obi ka say na bibie na mibuefu himself. I'll mention your name so that you get something clear. There is one thing I always do. Me pet argument. Make me go back to back, but usually I don't have that time. But then they say I respect the space of people. Na yeni na ye jumani fe. Okay, ye play recordings from lawyer Kusi, and only a lawyer na de abeto abonti you. But say ye code details ni say ye case where ye di kono say efa ha ye be fa but ye do court na nkofo ni baby e fa de dada. Enti e fa wa nye new to them. And in court no so no ambush tactics here. How to ambush your client, how to ambush your opponent. No, opponent, you have to ambush them because when you ambush them, they don't have time. So one work aba. Court one man, they have to defend themselves. But say, say, kanina waha in term na tame bedru honum no. Na why di? Enti me sramo. Me no. I say me time obi and I say me no obi wo issue. No. Because one, nyansa eni baku fotrim. But so obi jina ase o kwakache me say nti me kano back door nti me nko na me nko ti me we na me nko pacho hwe ye mo obi aduani ska wa ha o na ye mo obi appointment wa ha obi ade ne do but say ma me no ye be ye ni ye ama ma me no wo ma me no be koyi ama because ma me no ono na ware na ho aba asem enye
Mini mamenfa kakran so Mr. Adaram. Godfather. I think that anopano similar thing echo so na me na me initiate say if possible abstaining from possible moves be and sa request and advice it's not born out from the fact say create my platform is on and any platform I go to my submission is say in as much as a bit me a critique judge adia or the better abontina the possible moves entry home in free home and and I've suggested backdoor and questions were raised on this where Yemubi ebiani odia me boy CCR. We have done a lot on this case. I was the first journalist to go to Daddy Lumbe's hometown, go to his mother's grave, go to his father's grave. I've been to his father's place, I've been to his mother's hometown, I've been to every single hole be at Daddy Lumbe film to take information. Nobody sent me. I have sent a lot after this ruling. I have sent a lot, and I've been the journalist who's been advocating. Say, Asemno, a 3 court and a court of public opinion, the court of competent jurisdiction, and an anonymous. In the how we handle ourselves, how you handle yourself. Me, why would people threaten me? Michelle Yakusi. Our court premises were I give him all the hard questions. Can you imagine a journalist telling the lawyer, I would say, that means you came to court not fully prepared. Lawyer nay answer. Why did I put those questions to him? It was to energize him to make sure say Nema directions are court no their man say on. He should have done that before coming. And when some of us suggest baby, di in common. Are you ruling by how many days? So 4 days now, almost 4 days now.
Answer, adi
tutumwa binu krenya judgment no. Share tutumwa. Case
we crack court impo. In summer course war court nini na no ni akawa bontini dada. Ni akawa bontindi dada even before the court day in some simbi break how say nkofoni lawyers be ko boy yenye recordings how so me exactly yenye recordings exactly our court ani oh na case we na lawyer kusibe winning in time because they read things
analysis aye nyina ye no o hwe ade na free court on by clearly
how say mami we betuma bana or wabeta say or no tie for what open information they are called
information
and if you are discussing it more now yeah must some legal terminologies be baby don't plan it out.
The Godfather Adam Mpe wa temie
I wasn't here.
Remember,
I wasn't here. And this remember, you should not point it out, Senti.
Godfather, you mentioned my name specifically. Now the car said, Godfather, I'm here, I believe, maybe na one yet, debi amekadamasem no. For us, so that people will not feel like we are attacking each other, there should be a direction. Muntemiu, seme meba up, na conversation is up, na me try margin no, ufi ejeba na okasa back door. Asam kona ewaso na omoka no, and then say about show in the first place. 2, I am okasa omu you see enuma asem no modeka asem no court. Judgment na ba ye no, e fa fa no mu you see yan asem no modeka court. Abe video na asem omoka mkoba omkobo e court. Aba video no yen na asema na yele ka wo kopo.
Ayo ya te.
No, one thing. Yeah, yeah, charging one tip. One tip. Take.
Or say judgment there is nothing that happened.
No, take. Godfather take. Asemi be I will make a part that what come was say. Oh judge no, judge na mpom catch bro, relax na the number ni I discuss. I catch am na mpom use way, I catch am na masem put mam nken chokra. Mucharo. I remember hade ya asama wo board ni discuss. I mean personally, mungu there asama wale ka back door. What about to hade they and discuss? Whatever that we are discussing is it's in the public already. 2. I understand the fact say work there mama yen discuss your next move. I have not discussed my next move. Since I came here this morning, I am talking about the document out there. I have not discussed any move that Lawyer Kusi is doing. I have not seen Lawyer Kusi's move. Lawyer Kusi has not showed me his move for me to come and discuss it here. So it's 2 things. Say that say, Yabakasa on the platform, we are not going to discuss the judgment again. Then we all understand, say we are not going to talk about the judgment again. But if you say so, we can talk about the judgment, but we shouldn't go into the details of it. How will I know, say, I am going into the details of the judgment? You people should be fair to us. As a woman, I say, yeah, I saw the analysis. I am fair.
Say when you be near some more court na obegina baabi be kirekirim na wo kase you never win no asama godfather can no mamon direct.
Yeah, I think say the himself me pacho me kakra I think say the godfather can no enya ne bonus so which is I think say yen nyina ye yomuni way we have a whole lot to discuss which is say bia enema bia wo yanim way forward no yen kan ho asem wa ha so I think say godfather sa na o che ads drop it sister wada roma yente na see himself na enema bia hu hia no wate ase na
mommy you try the mini problem me
you bet ma ko back door
mommy mini problem share asam na call dream obi anya abotan no nti asam mekan after this I will not talk about this issue again. By any support I can do, I will do. Won't say, judge na assembly okay bia when you see an asemu or you see the opponent when asem fix certificate asem na wole ka online or ye dede no enya ne ka wasama
there be any na himself ya ka wasem
na positive positive abo yen case no what's yen ka na no ntuma me yen ka meanwhile nkofo wonde no mo ye dede bia highlight man nkofo to pop me bro. We should keep quiet. Me, I will not talk about
calm down. Calm down.
Again.
Calm down, okay? Calm down himself. Calm down. Calm down.
You have to relax.
Godfather.
Godfather. You have to respect.
Please calm down.
I think that your godfather can no cry because Friday.
Mrs. Owusu, Mr. Oyen Chaso, Mr. Mami.
Okay.
Yeah, what?
Okay,
sure. Chaso, why?
I think this one was discussed in the morning.
Mate, sure.
That is why I say you defer to talk about different topic altogether. Yeah, okay, it's me there.